Now 5th standard students, today we will start factor tree. Look at the factor tree. Seed is here, branches is here. Okay, now can you make other tree like this? See here, 18, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9. So tree, in this way you can make your tree for same number 18 but in different way. Okay, so 2 9s are 18, so next number 3 6s are also 18. So we can write 6 here because 6 is giving 2 factor. You can see now here. So 6 and 3. Now 6, 2, 3s are 6. Factors you will get same. See here, 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. But different way you can. Now in how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Okay. So first number, try drawing the factors tree using other number also. So you will take practice in rough notebook this. It's very important. Okay. Now 24. So first what we can do? Round. Okay. Okay. Now 24 is divided by 2. How many times? 12 times. So 2 12s. Now 12 is divided by 2. How many times? 2 6 are. Now by 2, 6 is divided how many times? 3 times. So our tree is ready. So factors of 24, 2, 2, 2, 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now different way. Now divide 24 by, this time we have chosen 2. Now next number we will choose 3. So 3 8s are 24. Now 3 1s are 3 prime numbers. Now for 8 is divided by 2. How many times? 2 4s are 8. 4 is divided by 2. How many times? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. So see here, factors of 24. Same factors you will get. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now different way again. Now next number is 4. How many times? 6 times. Now 6 is divided by 2. How many times? 3 times. And 4 is divided by 2. How many times? 2 times. So again you will get 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. Simple. So for other number also you will take practice. Okay. Now tiling problem. There is a garden. Okay. In Anu's house, in the middle of the garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. Different length. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet, tiles the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any the tiles Then what is the shortest length of the path? So here LCM method I will teach you. Whenever tiling types or how many shortest word is using, always we find LCM. Now I will teach you how you can find the LCM by two different method. Okay. Given the mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row 3 feet and the third row 5 feet. Then shortest length of the path will be LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, LCM, for LCM what we will do? First we will write multiples of 2. So multiples of 2 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and dash. So many multiples you can write. Now multiples of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 30 plus 3, 33, 33 plus 3, 36, 36 plus 3, 39, so many. That's why I have put dash, dash, dash. Multiples of 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3 15, 5 fours are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, so many. Now you can see common multiples. So whatever multiples we have written, in those multiples, common multiples, first is 30 and so many you can get. 60 also, because 60 is divisible by 2, by 3, by 5. So but here is not space, so I have not written here. So 30, so it is the first number, so LCM, that means lowest common multiple, is equal to 30. So LCM is 30 feet. That's why we can write in the statement form the length of the shortest path is 30 feet. Okay. Now next is Manoj has made a new house. Okay. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. That means 12 is length and 9 is breadth. Always longest we assume as a length. In the market there are 3 kinds of square tiles. 1 by 1 foot, 2 by 2 feet, 3 by 3 feet. Which size of tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? That means he can use the without cutting. In previous questions, what was given? Tiles, we used tiles sizes were given and we have calculated the length of path. But here size of room is given and we have to calculate the sizes of tiles. So there we have calculated LCM. So opposite of LCM, HCF, highest common factor. So here we will calculate highest common factor. Okay, let us start. Now you can see here the tile sizes are given. 1 foot into 1 foot, 2 feet into 2 feet, 3 feet into 3 feet, and the size of room is 9 feet into 12 feet. Okay, now factors of 12, I explained you how you can find the factors. See here, 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9, numbers are repeating. So the factors of 9, 1 3 9. Okay, now factors of 12, 1 into 12 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Again next number 4, 4 is already taken, so 1 2 3 4 6 12. Now common factors 1 1 3 3, common factors 1 and 3. So Manoj can buy 1 foot into 1 foot, 3 feet into 3 feet sizes of tiles for his room. Okay. Now see Rani's house, Geeta's house, Nasima's house. Okay. The road is 90 feet, 90 feet and 90 feet. Okay. Now the road. Now Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is "90 feet. They decided to tile the path to the road. The path to the road. Okay. They all bought tiles of different designs and length. Rani bought the shortest tile, Geeta bought the middle size one, and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. Okay, same way here. The room, the size of room is given and we have calculated factors. Same way, 90 feet, the distance from their house to the road. So we will find the factors of 90, all the factors, and we will find the size of tiles. Okay. Now see, in this question, given the distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. Okay. Then 1 into 90 factors we are finding. So all the factors. So 1 into 90, 2 into 45, 3 into 30, 5 into 18, 90, 6 into 15, 9 into 90, and next number 10. So already here. So we will stop here, and all the factors in U shape we will write 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15. You can write in the CW notebook, children. Okay. Everywhere. 15, 18, 30, 45, 90. So all factors you have written. But the sizes of tiles may be 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 5 by 5 and 6 by 6. After that we are neglecting this all factors. इतनी लंबी tiles हम use नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so we neglect. So what we will write after that? Then possible size of tiles are 1 foot by 1 foot, 2 feet by 2 feet, 3 feet by 3 feet, 5 by 5 and 6 by 6. Then the size of the tiles each has bought are Rani. If Rani is purchasing 1 foot by 1 foot, then Geeta 2 feet by 2 feet and Nasima longest 3 feet by 3 feet. Okay. And if the choice, they will different choice if we they all are having, then next option 2 feet by 2 feet. You will write here. I am giving you hint only. Okay. 3 feet by 3 feet, 5 by, so longest and smallest and medium size. And next choice, because we have to give 3 solutions, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 6 by 5. You will write whole sentences here. Rani, Geeta, Nasima, Rani, Geeta, Nasima, and fit everywhere. Okay. So the chapter is completed. Bye-bye. Complete your notebook, children. Anytime I may be asked for notebook checking.